Okay. The next question, please define conductors. What are conductors? What are conductors? Why are you all not responding today? I can't understand. You have not studied. I hope.
The materials which allow electricity to flow through them is called conductors.
The materials which allow electricity to flow
Electricity to pass through them are known as conductors.
Okay. Examples of insulators.
Plastic and wood. Plastic wood. Plastic and wood.
plastic,
Plastic
rubber.
and wood. Plastic and wood.
Okay. What are the kinds of charges developed when two objects are rubbed against each other?
Positive and negative.
Positive and negative.
Positive and negative.
Charges which are developed in nature, that those charges
Ma'am, please repeat.
Question.
Ma'am, please repeat question.
by rubbing can be that those charges
Maybe your voice is not coming clear.
when we rub two objects, can we see those charges which are developed in the objects?
No.
No.
No, we cannot see
No.
this.
No, we cannot see the charges.
Okay.
No, we cannot see the charges.
Then what are the general by the charged object on another charged object is the force of
Ma'am, repeat question.
force exerted by a charged object on another charged object is the force of
Attraction and repulsion.
Traction or repulsion.
Repulsion and attraction.
what are the general rule for attraction and repulsion?
The charges must be similar in nature, so it attracts each other. If the
When two
charges
charges
are not similar in nature, then they get repelled.
No. Telling totally different thing. When they are similar, then what will happen?
they will repel. They will repel. They will repel.
Repulsion
takes place.
will be shown. When there will be like charges, then the charges will repel each other. And will be unlike charges, then that will be get attracted. We are going to rub ebonite rod with flannel and silk with your glass rod with silk cloth. Then what will be the respective charges developed?
There will be two charges develop, positive and negative. There will two charges will produce positive and negative. Positive and negative.
Yes, we can assume in any case, but आप लोग अभी book में क्या पढ़े हो? What you have studied that when we will rub ebonite with flannel, then it will develop
Negative charge.
Negative charge. Negative charge.
Negative charge.
glass
Negative charge.
silk, then positive charge. Okay. Then charges can the charges be produced in pairs?
Yes, charges can be
Charges
produced
can
in pairs.
only be produced in pair.
Oh, only be produced in pairs. Then what does it mean? इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? What explain to me that point?
When two objects are rubbed against each other, they both get charged up with equal and opposite charges. This is called charge. This explains the charges are always produced in pairs.
So the charge will develop on the charging object also and the object to be charged also. दोनों पे charge develop होगा. That is why we say that charges are produced in pairs. Next question. What is earthing? What is earthing? Ayush Kumar.
While putting an charged object with contact with the earth is caused is to lose its charge. This process is called earthing.
Others also chance to answer. Okay. Now Ayush will answer. Ayush Kumar 7B. Ayush, बोलो. आयुष कुमार.
मैम अनम्यूट कर दीजिए तो बोलेगा.
हाँ, अनम्यूट किया हुआ है बेटा. रोए. रोए.
Yes.
कुमारी 7B. वंदना.
By putting a charged object in contact with the earth causes it to lose its charge. We call this process as earthing.
Okay. By putting the, once again you repeat. Vandana repeat.
By putting a charged object in contact with the earth causes it to lose its charge. We call this process as earthing.
Very good. Okay. And what are the methods of charging up?
Charging by rubbing or friction, charge by contact or conduction, charging by induction.
There are 3 methods of charging.
Okay, let me take the name first. Priyanshu, can you answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Bolo.
There are 2 method of charging up: charging by rubbing or friction, charging by contact or conduction, charging by induction.
Then why you are telling 2? You are telling 3 names and you are telling that there are 2 methods of charging. There are 3 methods of charging, you will say. Okay.
My mistake.
Correct answer. What is electrical induction?
When a charged object is brought near a uncharged one, the 2 kinds of charges. Uncharged object gets separated out. The opposite kind of charge moves to the nearer end, and the like change move to the farther end of the uncharged object. This is called electric induction.
Is it correct? The answer told is correct. Can you hear me? Don't sit idle in the class. You have to respond in the class. When you are joining the class, please show your response. Then after that, Shreyas 7A. Can you hear me, Shreyas? What are the charges which are produced in the nature? Shreyas, can you hear me? Hey. Then who is Shweta Sinha 7A? Shweta 7A. All are sleeping. Niti Kumari 7C, I think. Niti. They all are sleeping. Kushagra. Kushagra, can you answer? Kushagra Kashyap. 7C. Okay, then to the general class, you tell me what are the charges developed in the nature? What are the charges developed in the nature? Tell me. बोलो अदिति, बोलो.
Ma'am, positive charges and negative charges.
Positive charges and negative charges. Yes, correct. Lightning and thundering occur in the nature. How does lightning and thundering occur in nature?
The positive and negative charges in the clouds exert a strong force of attraction on each other. The air between them separates them, but when the charges are highly produced, the air loses its insulativity and let the charges meet, and then the lightning strike is produced.
Right. Very good. When there is lightning in the nature, then what damage can it cause? When there is lightning and thundering occurring in the nature, what damage can it cause? These are the general.
It can destruct building and cause harm to life and property.
Okay. And especially electrical gadgets in the building. Because electrical gadgets are directly connected with the electric current. And what is the device which can help to protect these electrical gadgets in the building?
Lightning conductor.
Lightning conductor.
Lightning conductor.
Is covered lightning conductor?
William Gilbert.
William Gilbert.
Benjamin Franklin. Benjamin Franklin.
Benjamin Franklin.
एक बात को विलियम गिलबर्ट एक बच्चा बोलेगा तो सब बच्चा विलियम गिलबर्ट.
Ma'am, Benjamin Franklin.
Benjamin Franklin developed a device to protect tall buildings from heavy damage, and that was known as the lightning conductor, which was developed by Benjamin Franklin. Safety precautions during lightning for a person caught outside in the open.
An observation in the
from trees,
signs of
avoid
lightning
shade
and
and open
thunder.
areas.
Go to a
Go
safe
to the
place.
building is a safe place. One is a safe inside a car or a bus.
A house
Provide
or a building is a safer place. One is a safer
बोलिए आप लोग.
see away from
observing
And
the thing
on
of
observing the signs of lightning and thunder, go to a safe place immediately. A house or a building is a safer place. One is safer inside a car or bus, provided by the windows and doors shut. Avoid shade and open areas. Stay away from trees.
Okay. And what are the safety precautions for the person present inside the building?
avoid contact with water. Do not use electric equipment like television, computer, etc.
Do not use
Can remain on. Do not use
phone lines.
it is not use corded phone as lightning may
Mobile phone.
strict.
Do not avoid contact with water. Do not use electric equipment like TV, computer, etc. Electrical light can remain on. Do not use corded phone as lighting may strike exterior phone lines. It is safer to use cordless or mobile phones.
Okay. Then what are the advantages of lightning?
Lightning converts nitrogen into its oxide, which can get dissolved in water and come down with rain, which help plants to get their need of nitrogenous compound. Lightning can also result in formation of ozone, which can protect us from ultraviolet rays.
The same question will pass to the other students. Other student, Arush, are you listening me? Arush Verma? Priyanshu, are you listening me?
Yes, ma'am.
Priyanshu.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Priyanshu, answer this question. What are the advantages of lightning conductor?
Lightning converts nitrogen into its oxide, which get dissolved in water and come down with rain. This helps plants to get their much needed nitrogen compound. Lightning can also result in the formation of ozone from oxygen.
Okay. Then, Bhavya Singh. Bhavya Singh, please answer this question. What are the different methods of charging? Bhavya Singh, I am asking you. Presenter, Harsh. Harsh, 7A. Okay, Rohit. Rohit is responsive. Chalo, Rohit, bolo. What are the different methods of charging up?
Charging by rubbing or friction, charging by contact or conduction, charging by induction.
Okay, charging by rubbing or friction. In this, what happens to the charged object? To the object which is going to be charged. उसमें क्या होता है rub करने से?
Then two objects rub it against each other. They both get charged up with equal and opposite amount of charges.
Where do we see that when we see in the long or tall buildings? Where do we see the placement of lightning conductor? Lightning conductor
At the corner. At the corner of the building.
At the corner.
At the corner of the roof of
What
the
is
building.
the structure like? Structure किस तरह का होता है उसको?
Spike like or pointed.
Like this lightning conductor.
Ma'am, your voice is not coming. Please repeat.
Why is there is the spikes on the lightning conductor?
It helps to reduce the chance of building of getting very large amounts of charges on its neighborhood. It reduces the chance of lightning strike occurring there.
It is tall to some extent. It can be able to catch the lightning or flash of lightning. It can be absorbed easily inside the earth. वो जल्दी कैच करेगा तो जल्दी से एब्जॉर्ब भी होगा अर्थ में. ठीक है? ओके, अब एनीथिंग मोर यू वांट टू आस्क इन दिस? अब आपको और कुछ पूछना भी है?
No, ma'am.
Now all of you have learned the question answer in this chapter.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
एक बार आप लोग इसमें इस क्वेश्चन के पास आइए तो पेज नंबर 174. Was driving back home from his office when it started raining heavily. The rain poured along with a thundering and sound and lightning. On the way, he saw an old man walking along the street. Tavish stopped the car and requested him to immediately get inside the car. Later on, he dropped the old man at his place. State two values displayed by Tavish. क्या है value यहाँ पे?
Kindness.
Nature.
Kindness and helping nature.
Yes. Caring, kindness, helping nature. These all are the values over here. Did Tavish did the right thing by asking the old man to get inside the car? Give reason.
Yes. Yes.
Yes,
Because a man is safer
because thunder
inside
can
a car
harm.
with. A man is safer inside the car with open closed windows.
Huh.
That should the lightning not get directly contact with the man.
He will sit in the car, then he will be safe from thundering and lightning. Okay? So, and in this you have one puzzle also. You can do that. On page 175. Charging by rubbing. क्या होगा?
Friction.
Charging by rubbing. Friction. Okay. A natural electric discharge phenomenon. Light.
Thundering. Thunder.
Lightning होगा. Electrical discharge phenomenon करना ना. A positive charge get attracted by a dash charge.
Negative charge.
Loud sound. Thunder.
Thunder.
Now, next one, transfer of charge from one object to another is fifth one is transfer.
Induction.
Conduction ही होगा. Transfer of charge from one object to another. Charging हो जाएगा. Charging an object without touching. इसमें induction होगा. Without touching, induction. Charging by making contact. Now here you will write conduction. Contact के through charging को conduction को. Transfer of charge to earth.
Earthing.
Complete this one also. And in this chapter we have completed everything. So go through the question answer for your online test on. If
मैम एक बार 2 बता दीजिएगा.
हाँ कौन सा?
अभी 2 क्वेश्चन नंबर.
क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 कौन सा? डी का कि ई का?
मैम सॉल्व पजल का.
Puzzle का a natural electric discharge phenomenon is lightning. इसका हो जाएगा charging. Fifth का charging है. Okay, so we will come to the end, and for your next class you will prepare this chapter only. इसी तरह से हम लोग थोड़ा रिविजन होंगे करवाएंगे और उस दिन आप लोग क्वेश्चन आंसर लर्न करिएगा बुक के पीछे वाला क्वेश्चन आंसर. क्लियर? ओके, थैंक यू.
Thank you, ma'am. Have a nice day, ma'am.
Thank you. Same to you.